Hello and ni hao from Beijing. Hello guys, so now I arrived at the hotel in where am I? In Beijing. And we went for a massage, so I'm just gonna put insert a little clip so you can see how it works. And now I was fine when I landed, and now I'm very tired. The massage was nice. It's very unusual. Very like you don't undress yourself, and they just do like a strong massage on top of your body, and it's full of noise and everything. So, but I still was almost sleeping there. Yeah, so now I'm very tired, and I'm supposed to meet everyone in 15 minutes downstairs to go to a restaurant. Yeah, I think I need to pop myself, like, I think I need to wake up and I can't even talk right now. And I need to go down. I just need to wake up and motivate myself to go down. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to say, and I'm really hoping I'm gonna manage to go downstairs. And apparently the place to the restaurant is really nice, so I'm excited to go. And I think I'm not getting sick. Much better. Let's go to the restaurant. So we found the restaurant, guys. That's the table that we're gonna have. So small. Waiting room. So this is actually a restaurant, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm singing this song.
Which one?
Boys. Wow.
Boys. So they are really covering.
Like this, you're gonna be clean. Wow.
They're covering your jacket, so it won't smell. YouTube channel.
It won't smell, yeah. That's so
So we
nice.
already choose our poses.
谢谢. Thank you.
Ivan, does he have a drinks menu?
都没.
4. Same.
You look so cute.
Like this.
Ready to cook. Yummy. This is disgusting as hell. And that's your fault that I got it, Mr. Tan.
You have to wait for your meat. Your meat is not here yet.
Yeah, but I have this wine that it's disgusting.
Oh.
Right? Everything inside.
Yeah, once it's ready, like once just eat it.
And what about the sauce?
Yes. The sauce you have to mix it up, and then to put whatever in.
Oh, you need to mix everything?
You mix your sauce.
Yeah, like this.
Then you take it out.
Try my sauce, I don't like it.
Then go get another one. Yes.
Really?
Yeah, 我跟他们说是脆皮的。
And is it sweet?
I don't know，酱的。
Is it nice?
我以为是全部是炸的。 Really, really nice.
So which one? What is the difference? This one? Sorry. It looks like a bread.
Take a lot. We'll sweeten milk. Yeah.
Shishi.
Yum. Put it in your mouth.
So what is he doing exactly? What is he doing?
Dancing.
Dancing?
Kung fu.
Cooking?
You can see like they can do it to your face.
Wow.
Los Angeles.
Can you take the camera? I want to try. Yes. Ask him if I can try.
It's not ours. Ours is not coming yet.
Oh.
This is ours.
Okay, this is yours. Okay, now you're ready. Okay. Ready? Okay, this is how.
Wow. Pizza boy.
Kung fu noodle.
Kung fu noodle. Yay. I can do that as well. Can I try?
Of course.
I'd like to see you try it.
Yeah, I want to try for real.
It looks quite.
I'm sure I can. Wow.
Let me have a winner.
Beautiful. How is he gonna end that? Whoa.
So now we have Andréa. She says she can do it. So let's say. Okay, 你教她哦。So he will instruct you a little bit.
You're a gymnast. I want to recognize that for you.
Let's see.
And then I do whatever I want.
He will take one. He will take one. He will teach you. Just kill the noodle.
But it breaks.
Yeah, you think it easy.
Andrea, we just witnessed the fact that it doesn't break.
Wait. Slow. Thank you. Now I'll do like you.
Yes, you can do whatever you want.
Oh my god.
You touch the floor, you're gonna eat it. Excuse me.
Hey!
Hey!
You're gonna serve on the plate.
Gymnastics going on.
How was it? Okay? No?
You still want more? Cool.
And now you're gonna show me.
Yes. This one he will do. So Sifu will teach you, your teacher.
Yeah, I wish I got this one. This is better.
The one on the floor.
Oh.
Woo!
Look at that.
This is Kung Fu noodle.
Woo! Okay, done. Sifu done.
Fantastic.
Yeah, fantastic. Bravo. Bravo. 很棒。对，谢谢。对。
It's very hard.
谢谢。Yeah, bravo.
It's very hard to do because the thing breaks. Good morning, guys. It's the next day now, and I'm gonna go downstairs and meet everyone. We are going to go to the Forbidden City. Yesterday was very nice. We went to the restaurant. It was very good food. And now I slept a little bit, and it's almost 8 in the morning, and we're gonna go. So it's freezing cold here, but let's go. Okay guys, we arrived in the in the Forbidden City, it's freezing cold, and I don't really understand. It's so big, so many people in here, and I don't understand. I thought we were supposed to take a ticket, but there's no ticket. Like, I don't know where is the place for a ticket, and we bring our passport, but we didn't use it yet, so I don't know. We are here and with the auto guide, so I took it in French, and it's explaining me that this is the main entrance of the Forbidden City. So that's the main entrance, guys. So basically, she's telling me that the lions that that are in front of the door were here to protect the law and protect the door of the Forbidden City. So the guide is telling me that this part was only for the emperor. Wow, it's a huge part for yourself. Guys, it's really nice here. If you take the audio tour guide, it's really good and explains you everything about the city. So I really recommend it if you come here. I'm just talking to me again. I have it here. Okay, let's go. Look at them. Real Chinese.
Breakfast in Emirates.